to breaking inputs that we are tracking. As far as an IMA's complaint, the Supreme Court has pulled up Patanjali Ayurveda for misleading advertisements. What we do know is that Patanjali's lawyers were given time to go through a fresh advice issued by the company, for which the Supreme Court bench came down heavily on the company. Now, the Supreme Court on the last date had reprimanded the Patanjali Ayurveda for continuing to publish misleading claims and advertisements against modern systems of medicine. Now, despite the top court restraint order, IMA says Patanjali has got published one more advertisement. All right, so that's the breaking input that we're picking up. This is, of course, got to do with Patanjali Ayurveda for misleading advertisements. What we essentially know here is that based on the IMA's complaint, the top court has now pulled up the Patanjali Ayurveda. We're also picking up that the Supreme Court hearing a petition filed by the Indian Medical Association against misleading advertisements, that is, being issued by Baba Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurveda. Harish, my colleague, joins me for more. Harish, good morning. Clearly the top court pulling up the brand over there. What do we know about this?
Yes, that's right. The Supreme Court is hearing a petition filed by Indian Medical Association against what they call the misleading advertisements being issued by Baba Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurveda. Remember, Supreme Court had on last year reprimanded Patanjali Ayurveda for continuing to publish misleading claims and advertisements against modern systems of medicine. And despite Supreme Court restraint order, IMA has submitted to the court a new advertisement which Patanjali has had brought out. An angry Justice Asaduddin Amanullah told Patanjali's lawyer that you had the courage and guts to come up with this advertisement after the court's order. We are going to pass a very strict order. You are tempting the court. I have got the printouts and annexures. We are going to pass a very strict order today. Go through it. How can you say you will cure? Despite our warning, you are saying our things are better than chemical-based medicines, and matter has now been passed over. That is, will be taken up after some time. The time has been given to the lawyers to go through the advertisement, because they said that they were taken by surprise. On the last date of hearing, court had said all such false and misleading advertisements of Patanjali Ayurveda has to stop immediately. The court will take any such infraction very seriously, and the court will also consider imposing costs to the extent of rupees 1 crore on every product regarding which a false claim is made that it can cure a particular disease. These were the oral observations made by Justice Asaduddin Amanullah on the last date of hearing. So after going through this latest ad, what will the lawyers of Patanjali Ayurveda say to the court? We'll have to wait and watch. And what kind of order the court will pass, we'll have to wait and watch. So the hearing will once again resume in half an hour.
Right, Harish, I'll have to interject you there. But for the moment, of course, thank you very much for helping us better understand this case. But for the moment, let's leave it at that.